Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to sharpen blades. First, what you will need is the proper equipment. You will need ear protection, safety glasses, gloves, and your grinder and blades. Then, what you will need to do is to plug in your grinder and get your safety equipment on. Then, choose the blade that you're wanting to sharpen. Then, push the blade onto a sturdy surface all the way to the edge to where half of the blade is hanging over. This will allow you to better reach the part that you're going to sharpen. Then you will put your hand on the blade that is on the surface so that it will not move while you are sharpening this end. Then, when you turn the blade on, you're going to go at it at a 45-degree angle, the same angle that the blade is naturally cut at. So when you're going at a 45-degree angle, you're going to go forwards, take it off, and forwards again. There's no need to go forwards and backwards, as this could unsteady your hand and you would not get a clean cut. You want to only go forwards with the grinder. And make sure that you're starting all the way at the front and going cleanly all the way to the back. You can do the same thing with the other side, and I'll demonstrate. Now you can see that the blade has been sharpened and the edge has been made much straighter and cleaner than it was before, which will allow you to have a cleaner cut. So you can do that to the front and back side of the blade, and I always finish with the front so that it is as clean as possible. Go ahead and repeat the process on both sides of the blade until you've finished all the blades that you need sharpened. Thank you for watching.